poll of polls are here, and it's the closest you can get to October 19th. The over-investment in Haryana and Maharashtra may just have paid off, and Modi seems to be having the last laugh in both the states. A split in Maharashtra, a gamble in Haryana, and the verdict is the Modi wave is still very, very much intact, growing stronger, in fact. But for the Congress party, the crisis is huge, much bigger than ever before.
As the polling in Maharashtra and Haryana closed and the exit polls started pouring in, they all confirmed that the Modi magic was alive and kicking. The poll of polls predicting the BJP as getting the numbers to form the next government in Maharashtra.
वोटिंग का प्रतिशत 60 से ऊपर ही पूरे प्रदेश में नजर आ रहा है और इसमें हमको निश्चित रूप से मेजॉरिटी मिलेगी और ये जितना बढ़ेगा, अगर ये 65 से ऊपर जाएगा तो हम 160 से ज्यादा सीटें लेंगे, ऐसा मेरा अनुमान है.
But as the sharp decline in NCP's fortunes was being predicted, the party rejecting the exit polls.
मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी भी एक पक्ष को बहुमत मिलने वाला है और महाराष्ट्र में एक मिलीजुली सरकार बनने की राह पर है.
Yet that's not what the BJP believes, especially in the wake of the Modi blitzkrieg that saw him holding 27 rallies.
Today I was all around my constituency in Mumbai. I could not see many tables of Congress people coming out, voters having that kind of enthusiasm for Congress. I saw the enthusiasm of voters to go for a clear mandate for BJP.
In Haryana too, the Modi effect seems to be playing out. The poll of polls gives the BJP a clear edge over its closest rival, the INLD.
I can humbly state very confidently that we are going to attain at least two-thirds majority on our own in Haryana Assembly.
And on the lines of the Lok Sabha route, the Congress is predicted to finish a poor third. Despite the exit poll numbers, Huda is being hopelessly optimistic.
I think Congress is going to get the biggest chunk, and maybe Congress is going to form government third time.
You don't believe in these numbers, sir?
No, it has never. You see, it never came true.
In what looks like a rerun of May 16th, the outcome in Maharashtra and Haryana this Sunday could end up strengthening Narendra Modi's image as a champion campaigner. Bureau Report, Times Now.